Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through vacuum maintenance for the Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni. If you're interested in the X9 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's start with the top of the vacuum right here. Not much to do here besides keep an eye on the front bumper to make sure it's free from any obstacles or obstructions from preventing it from working properly. Then we can remove the cover to get access to our internal dustbin. They even have care and maintenance instructions directly on there. This is washable. There's just one filter inside that isn't washable, but that filter is replaceable. So here's the filter right here. You can replace this as needed. Give it a couple of taps. That'll help clean it out. Compressed air will be your friend to breathe some new life into the filter. But everything else you see here from the dustbin can be washed. Just make sure you give it enough time to dry in the sun and air dry. But you can wash, rinse this out whenever needed. Looking inside the dustbin compartment, periodically check on this for any debris or obstructions that might be caught or settling at the bottom and remove those. Looking at the side of the vacuum, we have a couple of sensors here that you can wipe down with just a microfiber cloth. Charging contacts on the back side, another sensor right here. And then on this section, we have a removable water tank. On this tank, the lid just opens up. And we actually have a filter in here that you can remove and rinse out. And you can rinse the whole tank out here. And then you can just clip it right back in to the side of the vacuum. Looking at the underside, we have more sensors you can wipe down as needed. Replaceable side brush if it ever wears out. Main brush rollers, easy to detangle, clean, and replace. We even have our little comb right here. This is removable. So you can remove that comb to clean. And then you can just press it back in to reinstall and wipe down in there. And then take your old brush or your new brush, put that back in. Cover, you can wipe down. Everything just snaps right back in. On the underneath for the mop roller, this guy's removable, the scraper, so you can rinse that out as needed. And then we can remove the mop pad itself. This is pretty cool. To remove it, just double tap the power button. It pops open. We have a little unlock icon there. So we can press in on a button on the side and then it just pulls right out. So there's the button. So with this removed, you can clean it, give it a deeper clean if you want, or completely replace it, wipe down in here. That cover, the scraper that we removed earlier, you can remove that. You can remove this with that installed or not installed. It's really up to you. This will just slide right back in on the vacuum like that. Then when you're ready, double tap again and it'll go right back into the vacuum. Very simple and straightforward to take care of your Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni.